What's up, guys? It is Mariah. I hope you all are having an awesome day so far, and today I have another magic at your door unboxing, guys. I'm super excited. I saw this on my front porch yesterday, so it came really early, and I just wanted to go ahead and film this video and show you all what I got. Before I get started, just be sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel so that you are notified whenever I do post future unboxings like these or other Disney or non-Disney related videos. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get into the unboxing. As always, they pretty much have a theme every month for the box for the month, and I guess this month, since it's March, it's got like a little St. Patrick's Day theme going on with the, you know, 4-leaf clovers, leprechaun hat. So that's super, super cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box. I already pre-opened it, guys. So, and as always, they have the price sheet, and it's like a little newsletter to let you know like what is going on. So that for the updates for this box, it says, Disney Magic for Mother's Day. It says, nothing says I love you like the gift of Disney Magic. Use the promo code MOM15 to save $15 on our customized one-time magic box through March 31st, 2018. All purchases using this promo code will be shipped on May 1st, 2018 to ensure delivery prior to Mother's Day. So maybe if you have a mom that loves Disney as well, that would be good. I'll of course include the promo code down below in case any of you want to take advantage of that. And I believe that is it for the newsletter. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it, y'all. The first thing I see are these green and white and gold like confettis. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love how they theme it. So I know I'm probably gonna be making a mess, but I'm just gonna go ahead and like take like a ton of it out. Oh gosh, it's everywhere. Yep, I'm probably gonna have to do some vacuuming. It's cool. So the first thing that I have in this unboxing, oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, I'm trying to take the confettis. Oh shoot, there's something that fell out. So I'll just like, that's funny. It's so funny because they say that make sure that you check all the nooks and crannies of your box because they like to stuff things in there. So, you know, be sure to check like okay, so these are, I think they're slippers. I could be wrong though. Oh no, yes, okay, it says slipper socks on the thing. And guys, if you can see this, that is Simba. So you guys know that The Lion King is my favorite Disney movie, my favorite Disney movie. And so you guys, and I love lounging and stuff. Like I'm an introvert, so I'm pretty much at my house like a good majority. If I'm not at work or something important, then I'm definitely at my house. So these are perfect. Oh, they feel so soft, guys. Oh my gosh. So they're black. And for the most part, and it has like this like tribal print going on, like African tribal print, which is really cool. And like I said, it has Simba there at the toe. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm just already I'm in love. So again, like I put on my questionnaire that they send out before every month, you can indicate your preferences and favorite movies and rides and things like that. So of course I put on my questionnaire that Lion King is my favorite movie. So they do pay attention to all of those details. So just be sure that, you know, you fill that out before you get your box, before they ship your box to you. And they will of course, like, you know, take all of that more than into consideration. So, but anyway, these slipper socks are $14.90. So we're off to a good start so far, guys. And this was actually, so this item was inside the slipper, so I'm just opening it now. and or like, you know, well, I don't know what I'm trying to say. So it looks like this is a lanyard, and okay, so if you can see here, it's like St. Patrick's Day themes right here. It's like 4-leaf. Oh my god, it's so cute because it has like Goofy and Minnie. Goofy, Minnie, Mickey, if you can see that, and like Donald with a pot of gold. I hope you guys can see. It's a little tough to see, but yes, a little pot of gold there. Oh my gosh. And then on the other side, it's pretty much the same like theme here with the St. Patrick's Day going on with a leprechaun hat. Can you see that? Okay. It's got a leprechaun hat and the 4-leaf clovers, pot of gold, all of that. So cute. So, oh man, this is actually, I think this is it says I'm reversible, so it has the 2 sides that I just showed you guys. Oh, and the bottom part. So this is the bottom part, and this is Minnie with a little green bow, and I think those are flowers right there on top, and it's green, probably for St. Patrick's Day. And on the other side is Mickey. So that is so cute, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm pretty sure that this, like, I would probably use this since it's a lanyard. I might use this for like pin trading. I think that might be what I will probably do. Oh, I just realized that the flowers on the Minnie were 4-leaf clover, so yeah. Anyway, yeah, I feel like this would be good for pin trading in the park. So yeah, super cute, guys. And this item is $14.99. Okay, so this item was also tucked into the slippers. It fell out, so I just like put it to the side. And it is another keychain. Super cute, guys. Oh my goodness. So it has like multiple things hanging down on the keychain. So I'm gonna see if I can focus you guys so that you can see here what is at the end. Okay, so right here it says Walt Disney World. It has a little thing that says Walt Disney World, and then ooh, is this, ooh, this is, okay, I think this is like the Tree of Life. Okay, little thing going, and then this here's Sorcerer Mickey. He's my favorite, guys. And then you have a castle little pendant, and let's see, oh, I think this is the Tower of Terror. Oh, that's super cute. And then you have, oh, okay, I am tripping, guys. I'm trying to show y'all all of it. So here is the ball for Epcot, the big golf ball symbol, Spaceship Earth essentially. So yeah, I think it has all the symbols for all 4 parks. So the castle, Tower of Terror, Tree of Life for Animal Kingdom, and the Epcot ball, or the golf ball for Epcot. Yeah, Spaceship Earth. And so that's really cute. Oh my goodness. And of course, Sorcerer Mickey, because he's my fave. So it says purple on the little key ring here. And according to the sheet, it is purple, means that it's $9.99. Okay, so there's a couple more items. So I'm going to save the silver pouch for last. So the next thing I am pulling out, oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. Look at this. Okay, I'm wondering like what this is like specifically. So, okay, so it says Jasmine Ragdoll. So that is so cool. I'm trying to get the confettis out. But do y'all see that? Oh my goodness. She is adorable. She's beautiful. So it's Jasmine with her little blue outfit, and this is kind of like of the back. Yeah, her hair like, you know, tied up and stuff. But yeah, oh my goodness. That is so cute, guys. Oh, I definitely want to like display this somewhere. I think it'd be really cute. I wish I had an office, like, so I could, once I do though, I'm good. It'll probably be a Disney themed office, to be honest, and I could like display this somewhere. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, so this item, the Jasmine Ragdoll, is $16.95. So cute. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pull this out. Oh my god. Okay, this is the last thing besides the silver pouch. Oh my gosh, and these are pins. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so I'm like in awe right now because this is just so cute. Okay, so it says Kingdom Carousel, and they are you know, the I was call it a merry-go-round, right? The merry-go-round, the little like animals, that the horses and stuff. So in this pack, I think it's like I don't know if it's a starter pack or whatever. It could be, I don't know. Like one of those booster sets. But so it has, I'm gonna show y'all up close really quickly. So if you can see, it has like the little horses from like the Magic Kingdom like carousel, I guess is probably what it's themed after. And it has different colored horses. Look at that. So cute. And this one is a Maleficent one, and she's my favorite villain. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that Magic at Your Door pays such good attention to like your preferences, or at least I think it's Maleficent. Yeah, it is Maleficent. Okay, it is definitely Maleficent. And I'm trying to see if these are themed as well. I don't know if the horses are themed. Oh, this one might be. Okay, I'm like trying to figure this out as I'm talking to you guys, but I think this might be Haunted Mansion themed. It has like a goat, like it looks like the color of the like ghosts from Haunted Mansion. I could be wrong about this, but anyway. And this one, I could be making that up, but this one has like snacks on it, like cupcakes and lollipops. And then this one, it had, oh, this might be like Prince Philip or something. Or maybe Peter Pan. Ooh, I think he might be like Peter Pan, because if you can see like right here, it looks what looks like Peter Pan's hat. I'm pretty sure that's probably after Peter Pan. So Peter Pan, Maleficent, potentially Haunted Mansion, and it seems like this is just, you know, like snacks or something. I don't know. Yeah, cupcakes, and it's like colorful. I'm not sure if that one down here, the colorful one with the like cupcake and stuff, is supposed to represent something specific, but that is so cute. Yeah, that's definitely Peter Pan. Okay, y'all, sorry. I'm like trying to figure it out. Okay, I'm bringing this one up again because I'm pretty sure it's Haunted Mansion, guys, because it has like bats on it. That's what made me think of it, and it has like, you know, the color of Haunted Mansion. That is adorable. Oh my god. Love pins, and these are such cute pins. So I'm gonna open it really quickly and see if it has anything inside like that will like indicate, you know, what they actually are. Actually, I have scissors. I don't even know why I'm trying to I don't know why I'm trying to just try to open this by myself, because I definitely can't. Okay, no. So it just has, you know, like the pins here and the pins on that. Thank you so much, Magic at Your Door, for that. That was amazing. Good find. I can't even believe they sell that. So the last thing I have is the infamous silver pouch. It's not a Magic at Your Door unboxing if you don't have a silver pouch to open. So I feel a box, so I'm trying to get it out. It's a little tight. Okay, so it has a little box, and it says, if you can see, so it says Disney on the front. Okay, and I figured it would be a jewelry item. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, so it is a necklace, and I'll go ahead and show y'all up close. Okay, so it has, oh, look at the little Mickey here. So you guys, look at this necklace. First of all, let's talk about this quote. It says, if you can dream it, you can do it. And I actually have a Disney item with this quote on it. It's my favorite Walt Disney quote. So I know Magic at Your Door probably didn't know that, but yeah, that's my favorite Walt Disney quote. So my goodness. So the necklace has a little Mickey right here and a little jewel pendant right here. Then this last one right here is like a little shooting star, if you can, it seems like, if you can kind of tell from right there. So that is so cute. Love it. Y'all, and this item, you could probably tell as I was showing y'all up close, but this necklace is originally, it says $60 down here. So wow, just this item alone is $60, and this monthly subscription is $89.99. So that's like well over half the price of the box already, just with that one item. And I forgot to mention that the Kingdom Carousel pin pack, it was $24.99. All right guys, so that is all for this unboxing. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed this box. Again, as always, like, you can't not love getting Disney stuff, you know, at least for me. I'm like a Disney fan, obviously. So, but yeah, if I had to pick some favorites out of this box, y'all already know, like the slippers, Lion King, and I just love comfort items, like comforting things. So this is perfect, and I'm always, like I said, like at my house chilling. And probably this pin pack, this is crazy. This is awesome. I love it so much. I mean, I love everything. I love the necklace. Like, I wear Disney jewelry, obviously. Well, not obviously, maybe y'all don't know, but I wear Disney jewelry like all the time. And obviously, Jasmine, I just want to display this somewhere. Like, this is just awesome. I just want to thank Magic at Your Door for taking the time to send this out to me. And I hope you all enjoyed it. Please give my video a thumbs up if you liked it. I hope you did enjoy it. And please leave me a comment below and let me know what your favorite item was that I showed in this unboxing. I already mentioned what mine were. And I also just kind of wanted to let y'all know that I probably will be skipping the April box, as much as I really don't want to. But I have my car insurance to pay for in April, and it's only bi-yearly, so it's kind of a good chunk of change. And I need to kind of like save up for that. So I probably will be skipping for the month of April, even though I really don't want to, because I know it might be something, you know, with the Flower and Garden Festival. Just wanted to let y'all know that. So you might not be seeing a unboxing from me for the month of April, which is so sad. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. And again, just be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Disney fun. We have so much fun on this channel, and I hope you do decide to join me on my journey of life. But anyway, that is it. And I hope you all have a magical day.